Back to the channel. This is December Daily 2024 and today I am working on day 25. Finally. So this is going to be a back-to-back layout. This will be the front side of the page. This will be the back, but they're both December 25th. It's just with the two different sides of the family. So off camera, I stuck some washi tape down, pulled some embellishments. This is a DIY filler card, some wood veneer, some stickers, a little bit of bling, and then all my other pieces from my kit are over here. And I guess I'm just going to put you on fast forward while I piece this all together and finish it off. All right. So this page, I ended up pulling a lot of really old pieces out of my December Daily kit. And that 3x4 that says 25 on it was one of them. And then that little white 3x4 card with the picture of our Christmas dinner on it was also a very old card. It was a free printable from, oh gosh, I don't know if it was Allie Edwards' site or somebody else, but fighting with my glue, always. Yeah, this ended up being, oh gosh, 6 minutes maybe a little bit more. And we weren't actually all together this Christmas because the Christmas storms split everybody up. So even though we all live in the same city, we decided to kind of plan things differently this year. And only my mom and dad and John and I ended up getting together for Christmas dinner. So it was a very strange Christmas day, but a lot more relaxing than normal as well. I'm just sticking some little stickers down. I tried to get things that would be proportional just to fit in that little space next to the Christmas dinner photo. And then a lot of these little button embellishments are just going to get sprinkled all over the page, like almost like enamel dots. This is another really old piece. This is a dollar store wood veneer. Yeah, so there was a lot of, I don't really know if you'd call it stash busting, but I certainly won't need to buy anything for next year. And I know I say that every year, but this year I probably won't. We've got some tariff talk going on, which means I likely won't be able to buy anything from the States and have it not cost 3 or 4 times as much between tariffs and the duties at the border. So I may have to make do with what I have for real this year and just buy whatever I can find locally at Michael's and thrift stores and things like that. And I also joined a swap group again this year, so that's probably good timing as well. Because if there's something I want, I can probably just ask the girls for it and see if anybody has a store closer to them that might have it. I'm just putting down some little green flat back gems. These are also really old. They came out of my stash. And I end up gluing these back to back because the pocket I'm putting them in is 2 4x6 pockets. And of course I've got 3x4 cards and 4x6 cards mixed in. So in order to keep everything from sliding around, I had to stick everything together. I really wanted to move that little St. Nicholas, but he was not coming up with it being ripped. So, and I already pulled this little piece of fake washi tape off the cardstock, so I had to find a home for it. And it looks like I'm back to you live in just a moment. So day 25, all done. And that's very good. I'm getting caught up, friends. Slowly, slowly. Oh, looks like I've got to trim that down a bit. All right. This would have been a lot easier if I'd used double-sided paper, but I didn't plan that far ahead. All right. So it looks like that's it for me for, I'm not going to say today because I'm hoping to get the other few days left finished today. So as always, thanks for coming to hang out with me, and I will see you next video. Bye for now.